You guys, there's a robin in my bedroom. And my window has been closed? Where the f did you come from? Where have you come from, little guy? And do you want to stay forever and live here with me? Because you can. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, we're gonna get you out. We're gonna get you out. Chill. Chill. I'm gonna open the window so you can fly outside. Again, unless you want to stay forever, because that is an option. Good morning. What is happening? You know how I had that massive hole in my wall from taking the vent out? The robin flew through the hole, and now he's in the stairs. And I don't know what to do about this situation. Also, he's pooed in my room. Don't like that. You can still stay forever though. Okay, after some chasing, the robin has flown out of the window, although he did tour 2 different floors of the house. But I think that maybe what upset him and got him into the house somehow, I don't know how the hell he got in the house. It's very strange. No windows have been open. How was he here? But possibly the reason that he came into the house is because he was worried about the noise that the carpenters are making. The carpenters are here, and they're going to reinforce the beam that holds up the roof of the terrace, and then they're going to fix the beam that holds up the roof of the terrace, and then I'm going to have a beautiful new 2 aerial points. I am so excited. It has taken me 5 months to get carpenters here, and I cannot tell you how excited I am that they have finally arrived. I'm so confused about how that robin was in the house. No windows have been open. I literally opened a window to open the shutters and closed 1 window. So I guess I'm gonna have to do an inspection of, is there a hole somewhere in the house? That is the most mysterious thing, because I cannot imagine how a bird could have gotten inside, like a chunky bird, not like an insect, a fly, sure. A whole bird? Like, what happened? I was so unbelievably surprised when I looked up out of bed and saw a bird staring out at me. Here is the gigantic beam. My God, I can't imagine how much this weighs. It's weird to think that I bought this. What did you buy? Well, I bought a giant piece of wood. So, yeah, things are progressing. Oh, here's another. What's this for? There's 2. To be fair, I have a very sketchy idea of like what the plan is. I've talked to the carpenter and I've told him like exactly what this needs, like for aerial specifications, and then he's like, I've got this, and I'm like, cool. So we're gonna see what the plan is, I guess, as it progresses. For reference, this is what the beam looked like when my friend Emily, who you can see in this photo, and I first came and saw this house. It was not in a good way. It was cracked through the center. It was sagging very badly. And it's going to be such a relief to know that this beam has been replaced and is in good condition. Hi friends, it's Editing Me here, and as usual, I've found something that I forgot to film or explain when putting this video together. So, a quick update. You won't see my lovely parents / helpers in this video because when some videos were lost, due to a snake breaking my phone. If that sounds insane to you, then please see the previous video where I'll explain how a snake broke my phone, and snakes are sneaky and should not be trusted. But due to the snake breaking my phone, I lost the video where my lovely parents, I had to go home. So they will not be in the next few videos, but the good news is that they will be returning very soon. They are in the process of buying their tickets to return right now. So they'll be back, and there will be other special guests before they get back. But if you don't see them in the next few videos, that is why, because they have had to repatriate back to the US temporarily. Meanwhile, I'm gonna hunt for holes that birds could enter through because now I'm paranoid. Birds. I don't know, this is a mystery. All of the windows are closed. All of the shutters are closed. This room doesn't have any light in it because I haven't put in the chandelier yet, but it's really weird. I don't know how that bird got in. Like, I see loads of ladybugs because apparently this house is Mecca for ladybugs and all ladybugs must make a pilgrimage to this house. I can see how ladybugs would squeeze in around a closed window. But an entire robin? Like, what, did it teleport? I don't know. I think I met a magic bird. I think that's the only answer to this riddle. Meanwhile, I am going to get started on some projects upstairs. I've got 2 projects that need doing like in the next couple of days. And my goals are to sand down this putty that I puttied over the rough rock wall with and make it nice and smooth so then I can put wallpaper over it. I also need to hang the chandelier that goes here so we'll have more light in the stairs. I had a lesson in Paris about how to attach light fixtures. I had my boyfriend replaced one in my apartment in Paris, so he taught me how to do it. I don't know how much confidence I have in myself, but theoretically I know what to do with this. Also, I'd like to apologize for the slightly inferior quality of this video because I'm using my backup phone to film because a snake broke my normal phone. Sounds weird, weird story. I will share that story with you at some point, but yeah, waiting for the normal phone to be repaired after a sneaky snake attack. Oh my God, there's a third large vehicle coming in. This is getting so intense. So glamorous around here. I'm just about to sand the putty that I've already put to smooth out this wall, but it's going to be a ungodly mess. When you sand it, it just turns into like a cloud of dust. So I've put all of this plastic. I feel like I'm getting ready to do a murder. What I'm hoping is that the dust will like fall down the plastic and then end up on the floor plastic, and then I can just pick up the floor plastic. Probably not gonna happen. I feel like this is about to turn into a nightmare. I also made myself a fun plastic poncho to try to keep it off my clothes as much as possible. Well, that was awful and I hated it. Another exciting change. While most of the carpenters are outside working on the beam, they have dispatched one guy to come in and take down the wall in the kitchen. I cannot wait for this wall to be gone. I'm going to have a kitchen sink that is actually open to the room. It's going to be so much better. I can't wait. Wow, that was fast. He just ran out of here with that wall. It has disappeared very quickly. But I am so happy with this. The stairs are gorgeous. I'm so happy to have them as an architectural feature as part of the kitchen. It's going to be great in here. I'm so excited. So I think I'm going to grab my varnish and sander and start sanding and varnishing this floor. So it's the end of the day. The workmen have just left, and they've left me a beautiful new beam on the terrace. Look at it, it's so beautiful. I'm so, so happy with that. I cannot tell you how happy I am to have not one, I've got wood stain on my hand, not one, but two usable aerial points. So the next step is to order the rigging that I need. It is now time to go and order all the stuff, and then I will have two usable aerial points at the house. I can finally train here. I am so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am for that. I'm so, so happy because, as you probably know, if you're an aerialist, it is a nightmare trying to find usable aerial spaces that you can do free training at. And then even when you do find them, you have to pay for them. And I now have a place I can train as much as I want for free. And it's one step closer to being able to do workshops and aerial training, aerial retreats here, which is my ultimate goal. And I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy. It's amazing. And I guess that since things are going so well, I'm going to leave this video on a high note. I'm just about to go walk and watch the sunset by the church, and also take out my trash and then come back and eat some dinner. And yeah, I think that's all for this one. It's been very eventful. A lot of things have gotten done. I will just quickly say, please do subscribe to my channel. It makes a big, big difference. And there's always new stuff happening here. And the more that I see you guys subscribe and like my videos, the more that I know you're interested in what's happening. So if you want to see more videos, make sure that you subscribe and like and comment and, show some love. So with that, I will see you guys next time.